Good morning. You are listening Ishika Sayal, your news anchor from La Wafra Media. Here we bring you the latest updated news of 19/6/2020 from around the world. So today's first news is Don't hold board exams. Manish Sisodia to HRD Ministry. After the board examination were halted mid-March as a precaution against the spread of coronavirus, the remaining 29 papers for class 10th and 12th students are scheduled to take place from July 1 to July 15. With the remaining papers for this year's CBSE board examination due to restart in less than 2 weeks, Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia wrote to the HRD Minister requesting that these examinations not to be conducted considering the COVID crisis in Delhi. After the board examination were halted mid-March as a precaution against the spread of coronavirus, the remaining 29 papers for class 10th and 12th are scheduled to take place from July 1 to July 15. In his letter to HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Sisodia requested that the remaining exams not to be conducted and suggested that the board instead rely on previously conducted school-based internal assessments such as projects, periodic tests and term exams. He pointed to rapidly rising number of cases in the capital, stating that it's a source of uncertainty and anxiety for candidates. The total number of confirmed cases now stands at 44,688. This is likely to rise to 5.5 lakh by July 31, 2020. In such a situation, if a candidate or someone in the family tested positive, he or she will have to skip the exams, causing further stress. According to the CBSE notification on the conduct of the remaining papers, students whose schools are located in contaminated zone at the time of the paper will have to write their exams in a center located outside the contaminated zone. Sisodia pointed to the high number of contaminated zones in Delhi, 242 and rising, and stated that there is no clarity on how a child from this zone will come out to take the exam. Next news is India-China border face-off. Indian Railways terminates project contracts with the Chinese company. The Indian Railways on Thursday decided to scrap project contracts awarded to Beijing National Railway Research and Design Institute of Signal and Communication Group, citing poor work progress. Dedicated Freight Coordinator Corporation of India, a public sector undertaking corporation run by the Indian Railways, has decided to terminate project contracts awarded to Beijing National Railway Research and Design Institute of Signal and Communication Group, citing poor work progress. The India-China standoff has stirred anti-China sentiments in India, with protesters and some trade bodies like CAIT calling for a boycott of Chinese products in protest to border standoff. Earlier, the telecom minister has ordered BCNL, MTNL and other private companies to ban all the Chinese deals and equipment. They have been asked to avoid Chinese equipment in upgradation. The decision by the telecom minister could play a major role in the 4G upgradation purchases by its subsidiaries. 20 Indian Army personnel were killed in a face-off in Ladakh's Galwan Valley on the night of June 15 and 16. 4 more Indian soldiers were in crucial condition are now stable. China has not denied claims that there were casualties on its sides too. In a brief statement yesterday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that India wants peace but is capable of giving a beatified reply if instigated. He has called an all-party meet on June 19 to discuss the situation. I, Ishika Sayal, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.